Hello friends, Indrila from Orpang Design Craft Adda, New Delhi. A few lovely dupattas I want to showcase, and so I would not give a prelude of everything. I'll just start with the dupatta showing. So this is one kantha embroidery dupatta on pure silk. The work is very beautiful. The work is very beautiful, and there are tassels done at the end of the dupatta. So this is a gorgeous one, a lovely one. So the whole dupatta has this embroidery all over, and see, this is dye in steel gray and black, and these are beautiful flowers in Kathiawadi stitches. This kind of flowers are in Kathiawadi stitch, and these are kantha embroidery. So the whole dupatta is like this. So it is 2.25 meters in length, 2.25 meters in length, and lovely one. So that's the palla, that's the palla side, that is the palla side. So so that is the back. So it's a complete hand embroidery, there is nothing machine in it. So this dupatta is priced at 3500, 3500 plus shipping, 3500 plus shipping. कुछ टसल्स में कुछ अलग है, टसल्स के पहले दिखा रहा हूँ. Then there is another beautiful tussar, pure tussar shibori blue, and this combination dupattas. I keep making dupattas, but I don't do videos, so they just gets picked up from my studio. So this is the beautiful one, and it's a big one actually. It's a big one. It is almost 2.5 meters. So this is the shibori pattern. This is the shibori pattern. It's navy blue and turquoise. Very, very pretty. Navy blue and turquoise. Very pretty. So that's the on the palla. So this kind of print will come on the palla. Shibori is basically the tie dye. These are all the with the machine stitches. These patterns are created, and then the fabric is dyed. So, and it's a double dye pattern. So this is the whole dupatta. Very pretty, very nice, very smart, can be worn with any plain suit, and the price is 2500, 2500 plus shipping, 2500 plus shipping. Pure tussar silk, complete pure tussar silk. This is a dupatta in herringbone, kind of a weaving in stitch, tussar, pure tussar, herringbone. Can you see this herringbone kind of a weaving, this VV. When you get it, you can know. So these are called the pashmina weaving. Also is done like this. So we all sometimes we just for a nomenclature, I mean just for calling it, we can say it's pashmina tussar, but nothing pashmina about it. It's just simple tussar in herringbone stitch weaving. So the painting is like this. It's a tribal folk art kind of a painting. So this is the beautiful painting. See, all the individual subjects are looking so smart. So this is one. These are the very classy dupattas, and you can actually wear it with a plain colored suit, and they will just dazzle. So this is another beautiful hand painting, and I'm very clear about the the concept, size and everything. So this is 2800, 2800 plus shipping, 2800 plus shipping. So that's the full dupatta. सब पेंटिंग वाले और कहाँ हैं, ये इसके और है. पेंटिंग वाले दुपट्टे लो. This is a chanderi dupatta with Godhana painting. Godhana means it's a tattoo art. So this is a Godhana painting on the dupatta. So it's a beautiful chanderi dupatta with this kind of hand painting done, Godhana painting. And so this is the painting work, beautiful one. And you just have to iron it on the reverse side, so that will be lovely. So see the beautiful one, very artistic, very artistic. My effort is always to highlight the tribal art, the folk art on pure handloom fabric. So that I do it in everything, in kaftans, in kind of ready dresses like this. See, it's an ajrak one. Then there are saris and everything. So this is one. So the other palla also has this kind of a maroon border with all the, you know, this work painting. Beautiful dupatta. And the price of the dupatta is 1800, 1800 plus shipping. 1800 plus shipping. Shipping for each dupatta is 100 rupees. Shipping for each dupatta is 100 rupees. So whatever I'm quoting the price, it's plus 100 is the shipping amount. This is another absolutely pure handloom cotton, beautiful one, beautiful dupatta with again Godhna painting. So see the beautiful one, lovely dupatta. Actually a sari of this kind of a combination also would look stunning. So this is another dupatta, and so it's like this. You can take any you know, anywhere, any a plain tussar suit with this dupatta will look completely mesmerizing. Whoever loves dupatta should go for this. 1800 plus shipping. 1800 plus shipping. In that Godhna category, in that Godhna art category, there is this blue one also. This is blue one also. These are actually this purple, and this one is that Seco fabric, silk by cotton fabric. So this is like this. This is like this. These are all from Bhagalpur. The fabrics are all from Bhagalpur. So this one is this very beautiful color and very beautiful work. It's an indigo. It's a beautiful indigo work. See, and such fascinating work. And so see this, the whole length. These are all big dupattas, proper 2.25 to 2.3 meters. So so this kind of palla work, lovely. So these are the combinations. The price range, the price for this also I think holds at the same price, or yeah, 1800, 1800 steel price. Actually it's stealing, it's a steel price, 1800 plus shipping. There are few linens with hand block printed. These are linens, linen, pure linen by linen, though powerloom, not handloom, because see the buttas in this buttas are cut buttas. So this is powerloom dupattas with hand block printed. So these are also very nice, very comfortable. See the hand block printing done, beautiful hand block printing. See these are all silver zari, you know, silver zari on the this palla, sorry, on the border. So these are like this ones, lovely one, lovely dupattas, and priced at 1200 plus shipping. 1200 plus shipping. One is this pink color, another mesmerizing color is this purple. So this purple is also very pretty actually. So I'm taking so this is the one side is this temple, the other side I have given this kind of a jal motif, this kind of a jal motif, and all over there is this silver you know, motifs woven. So the whole dupatta is like this, very smart, very nice. And for 1200 this kind of pure linen dupatta is a steal. So so this is the whole dupatta, very smart, and 1200 plus shipping. 1200 plus shipping. इसका एक ही है. वो दिखा दो. These are cotton silk fabric. These are cotton silk fabric with a polish done. So these are also done in wax batik. These are done in wax batik. This is the wax batik, you know, done on the dupatta. Beautiful, you know, cotton silk material, Seco material. So this is the all. I mean, only 3 are left. All are sold in my recent exhibition. So these are the very nice color also. So this is like, this is beautiful, like this. The whole dupatta has this batik work. So the so you know, kind of a formal gathering, formal place and all that, you can take it. And so this also goes, this will go very well with tussar also. When you get it, the texture you see, this will go with pure tussar suits also. 1500 plus shipping. 1500 plus shipping. In this another beautiful color, and these are all very natural. These are not done by natural dye, but these resembles all very natural shades. So another very very beautiful one is this, very beautiful one is this one. So this is another one. So that's the palla side, and that is the whole dupatta. Lovely one, very formal looking, beautiful. And these are little starchy. Once after a wash, plain home wash, no machine, never in a machine, plain home wash, this will look soft, this will soften and look very beautiful. 1500 plus shipping. So anybody wants it, share a screenshot. Another one, these are the 3 color combinations in this available. 3 color combinations in this available. See how beautiful, how beautiful. Once you know, these are such things that if you don't display, this never, you know, gets people cannot understand. So you know, that's why I did the video, and especially for one person, especially a request on request of one person, I'm doing this video for dupatta, so that you know, she can also see, others can also see. So that's the another one. See this one, beautiful, lovely lovely combination, lovely lovely batik craft. And so 1500 plus shipping. One patchwork ajrak patchwork dupatta, ajrak patchwork dupatta like this. Where is the price? 1200 उधर है, उसके अंदर, उनके अंदर देख लो एक बार. So this is an ajrak patchwork dupatta, lovely beautiful patchwork done on and this kind of real mirror, this is not mica, real mirror hand embroidery, kutch embroidery. And so this is the dupatta, and I'm not sure about the price right now, so I'll let you know. If somebody is interested for this dupatta, I'll let you know the price. So this is the whole dupatta, very nice, very soft, nice and very elegant, very elegant. So see this, for schools, for office, for college, for university, for anywhere you want, you can, you know, you can team up these kind of dupattas and suits and look glamorous. A lovely jamdani dupatta in pure linen. This is completely hand woven, and it's a, see, it's a complete hand woven dupatta. So so that is the full dupatta, you know, layout. Ganga Jamuna border, red and black, very smart and very nice, very smart and very nice. See, lovely one. These are the lines woven, pure linen by linen, pure linen by linen, 80 counts linen by linen dupatta, and totally hand woven jamdani motifs. So this costs, this one is priced at 2000 plus shipping, 2000 plus shipping, 2000 plus shipping. Another Seco kind of a fabric. This is actually called khadi silk. I don't know why people call it khadi silk, but I don't know. So this is a woven border. So this is the woven border, and this is the kantha embroidery done. This is the kantha embroidery done. It's like this. So it's in herringbone, you know, herringbone design. The kantha embroidery is done. So this is beautiful. Another very beautiful one. All actually have been picked up. So this is the one which I available. So this is red. You know, there is a shimmer. So there is this zari weave. Not zari weave, this it's a silk, you know, kind of a silk, kind of a shimmer on the border, not zari, sorry. So this is the dupatta, very light, nice and totally handcrafted, totally handcrafted. So this dupatta is for 1550 plus shipping, 1550 plus shipping. So it's like this. The whole work is in by hand. Then we come to some Kotpad dupattas, pure, you know, from Koraput, Odisha. Absolutely hand woven dupattas. These are all Odisha craft and Odisha smartness. See how beautiful is the color, deep chocolate, and these are all natural dye again. The you know, and these have smaller width. These have smaller width. The other dupattas have 36 in width. These are, these are smaller in width. So they make smaller width dupattas only. And so this is on one, and I am comfortable with a smaller width one. I mean, so this is the other palla. So see the work, see the weave. This is a very traditional weave, and the way they do it, these are all extra weft weaving. So, and that is the back of the dupatta. It is from Odisha. This is a Kotpad dupatta, lovely color, with goes with many things, natural dye, and the price range is 2700, 2700 plus shipping, 2700 plus shipping. So this is one color in this. The other color in this is this. This is a madder color. That is a chocolate maroon color. That's a deep maroon, chocolatey maroon color, and this is that madder color, rustish madder color. Very pretty, very pretty. So this is also there. See, lovely dupatta, lovely dupatta, completely hand woven from Koraput, Orissa. It's a tribal district with a tribal weave. This is a complete tribal weave, and the saris and the dupattas in this kind of weave are just fascinating. So 2700 plus shipping, 2700 plus shipping. And these the cotton also is woven there only, so it's a hand spun cotton. The cotton is also hand spun. Only one available in Lambani, Mangalgiri cotton, pure Mangalgiri cotton, Lambani dupatta. See the amazing work. It's a peacock Moyur Konthi. We call it Moyur Konthi color. So this is the peacock feather color. Very beautiful. And this is the Lambani work, the pure original Lambani from Karnataka. So the whole body, Lambanis are also tribes. Lambanis are also tribes. They are Banjaras, and they go around places and they make their, these are buttonhole stitch. Many things are there actually. Many type of stitches are there, and a gamut of stitches are called Lambani stitches. So Lambani has many type of stitches. So twist and turns and things like that. So this is, and the whole gamut of stitches makes it Lambani. So that's one dupatta. 3200, 3200, 3200, 3200 for this dupatta plus shipping. These are hand painted pure chiffon dupatta, hand painted pure chiffon dupatta, and big one, 2.5 meters, 2.5 meters. Who this people with traditional Punjabi suit wearing, so that people who wear those kind of suits would love it. Pakistani suits and Punjabi suits, these are big ones, 2.5 meters. See the painting, beautiful floral painting, absolutely beautiful floral painting, lovely one. I have made saris like this, and with so this is the lace. So upper and lower, all four sides I have put lace, and this kind of hand painted dupatta. Lovely floral painting. See, it's in gray, blue gray kind of a tone. See the tone, how pretty. So this is like this. So the price for this is 2500, 2500 plus shipping, 2500 plus shipping. So this is one pure chiffon dupatta. The second hand painted dupatta is this. Second hand painted dupatta in chiffon is this. Whoever loves dupatta must go for these ones. These are all treasures. So this is another. See the floral painting, and there is a birdie. You see the bird? See this kind of a beautiful birdie. So this flower resembles the cherry blossom. The flower resembles cherry blossom. Yeah, so that is the right side. So the flower cherry blossom resembles, and so this kind of a dupatta. It's a beige kind of a beige color with this this lace and purple bordering. So it's very pretty, very nice, very beautiful. Just flaunt these dupattas with a plain pure crepe silk suit, or or a georgette one, or a chanderi one. so it will look very nice. 2500 plus shipping. 2500 plus shipping, and these are all 2.5 meters in length. 2.5 meters in length. There are another dupatta is there, which is in grey color. Grey color. This is in hand block. This is in hand block design. See the hand block, beautiful hand block design, and the body inside is gold color. The body inside is gold color. It is little on the hanger. It will just, this creases are from the hanger. That's all. So this is the gold block. This is the gold block. I'm showing you the reverse side. Sorry. Yeah. This also has lace on the sides. This also has lace on the sides. So this is the this is the gold block, and that's the border, and there is this konya kind of motif present, konya kind of motif given, kind of a water, you know, it seems almost that you have poured water on your body. So this is not a pure chiffon one, but it's a blended chiffon, but a chiffon dupatta like this. It just seems that, you know, you feel that just water is poured on your body. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. The work is also so beautiful. So this is another dupatta, and this dupatta is priced at 1250 plus shipping. 1250 plus shipping. These are some of the Georgette stoles. These are stoles, but these are long ones. So I think 1, 2, 2 point this is about 2.25 again. So these are like these are short length ones. These are short length ones, but these are you know, stoles like this. So again, hand painted, totally hand painted. So this is lavender color, lavender blue, and this part is also painted. This part is also hand shaded. This part is also hand shaded. So this is like this. Very pretty, very nice, lovely artistic stoles. You can just take it around your neckline or just use it as a dupatta also. So I mean, it depends, like so how you want to take it, because these are big ones, not very small. So these are priced at 2000 plus shipping. 2000 plus shipping. Another one is another very beautiful Chinese painting. So this is the painting part. See the boat and the flowers just hanging out from the boat. How beautiful is the painting. See how beautiful is the painting. Chinese painting, and these are all pure Georgette. These are done on pure Georgette, not anything blended. These are all on pure Georgette. So this is the painting. I have given a, you know, selvage like this, piping facing. So it's like this. So this is the other palla. This is the other palla. So this is 2000 plus shipping. 2000 plus shipping. For gifting, for personal use, for everything, you can use these ones. Very nice. And if you gift to anybody also, they will just appreciate it very much. The third one in this is this green color. Another floral. It is a floral one. This kind of daisies, you know, we have given a concept like daisies, green color. So this is the other part. This is the other part. So this looks like daisies, you know, a daisy kind of inspiration. Nature is our greatest inspiration when we are in the field of art. Nature is our greatest inspiration in the field of art. So this is like this, very pretty. The green color, see the green color, lovely green color, absolutely beautiful. 2000 plus shipping. Another one, mesmerizing one, see, very pretty. So shall I put it on my shoulder and showcase? So this is the thing. So this is the dupatta. Dupatta, no, this is a stole cum dupatta, I would say. So this is like, because it has a shorter you know, width, shorter width. So but then it's pretty long, so you can actually take it as a dupatta and or as a stole, or just, you know, गले से आप अगर ऐसे ले लेंगे तो ये काफ़ी लेंथ आ जाएगा इसका, बहुत सुंदर लेंथ आएगा। और नहीं तो जस्ट सामने से लीजिए ऐसे करके, वो भी बहुत सुंदर दिखेगा। सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल। सो वही है कि इन वॉट वे यू वॉन्ट टू टेक इट, सो everything. So this is the fabulous painting, and it's a very nice light sky blue in the body, light sky blue in the body, and accordingly the colors have been given of the painting. Purely totally hand painted. 2000 plus shipping, 2000 plus shipping. These are the another dupatta, Bhagalpuri silk by cotton, Bhagalpuri silk by cotton dupattas with hand block. So this is Worli hand block. So this is like this. This is Worli hand block, and these are all gold hand block, completely done by hand block only. Completely done by hand block only. So these are dupattas, and so these are like this. Beautiful one, soft and nice, silky, very soft and very nice. And the silk, the silk getup is very beautiful. So this is Seco fabric. And the price of these dupatta, this one is for 1250, 1250. So this kind of a dupatta. Okay, so one is this in peach color, lovely peach color with this kind of a floral motif, hand blocked. This kind of a floral motif, hand blocked, peach color. So this is like this. The whole body has this kind of a peach and sea green floral motif, hand block. So it has this the dupatta has this woven lines, and these creases will go away because these are all these creases are coming to as we have kept it in the hanger. So when I send it to you, I'll just iron it properly so that it becomes very smooth and very nice. So this is another 1250 plus shipping. And the final one in the series is sea green color, this one, yeah, this one, very nice. So one I have given one with the gold, just gold outline, one motive in the gold outline, one with colored filling, one motive gold outline, one with colored filling. So this is also very smart. This is also very smart and pretty. If you wear a peach kind of or a lavender kind of suit with this will look very nice. So these are all very nice, creative and very pocket friendly dupattas, very pocket friendly ones. So you can actually decide for yourself and let me know. Thank you so much. And this is also 1250 plus shipping. 1250 plus shipping. Okay, bye bye.